Hi everyone, it's Laura here, and today I'm going to share with you a speed coloring video for this beautiful image in the Studio Katia Kind Bouquet stamp set. I shared the tutorial for this card a few weeks ago, and I will have a link to that tutorial in the description box down below. There I just shared part of the coloring for the image, and I asked if any of you would be interested in seeing a speed coloring where I shared the coloring for the entire image instead, and some of you said that they indeed were interested, so here is the video for you guys. As for the mediums that I'm using, I'm stamping the images with Ink on 3 Fadeout ink, as this is my favorite ink when it comes to doing no-line coloring. You can use this ink with water markers, watercolors, or alcohol-based markers, and today I'm going to use my Illustrator markers to do the coloring, which are alcohol markers. I am sharing the caps on screen, but I will also have a list of markers in the description box down below in case you're interested and would like to follow along. And even if the video is sped up quite a bit, don't forget that you can use the tools on YouTube to slow it down in case you want to, as I said, follow along or watch the video at a slower pace. I will now leave you with some music, and before that I just want to thank those who requested this video and everybody who watches and comments on my videos. It helps my channel a lot. So if you enjoyed this video too, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. You can consider subscribing if you're interested in receiving more card making and paper crafting inspiration from me. As always, thank you all so much for stopping by, and I'll catch you soon with another video. Bye guys!